If you create websites for clients and want to help them rank to number 1 on Google, then this is going to be for you. I'm going to show you how to create backlinks every day on autopilot using Make.com and ChatGPT. You set it, you let it run, and every day it's going to create backlinks and help your client or your website grow to number 1. So just quickly, if you're creating websites for other people or for yourself and you want to help it rank into Google, specifically if you are a service provider for a specific area, then this automation is going to be awesome for you. You see, when you're creating websites, it's important to have it SEO optimized. That's in the website itself with headers and tags. But it's also important to have backlinks from social media and blog posts. And this is exactly what it's going to do. It's a full backlink creation system. It's going to run on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. And the whole backlink thing is going to work with Make.com, where ChatGPT is going to create the content for us, and it's going to schedule and post it out over Medium, which is the best blog posting site, Pinterest, X or Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So why these are important is because you're able to put websites and domain names in the actual context and post it out. So unlike Instagram, you can schedule things out in Instagram, but it doesn't create backlinks on Instagram. All these can create backlinks, and it's going to all be on autopilot. So have a look at the flow. So this is what the flow chart will look like in Make.com. And it's ChatGPT is going to create an idea. From this idea all by itself, it's going to create a title, it's going to create an image, and it's going to create a whole blog post that's SEO optimized. And then it's going to schedule out the blog post on Medium.com. It's going to have a backlink to your website. It's going to create a Twitter tweet. It's going to create a Facebook post, LinkedIn posts, and Pinterest posts. And all of those are going to have backlinks into your website. And then it's going to create a little extra step further where we have the blog post that's going to have a URL, and it's going to create backlinks back to that blog post. So all this does is build a good reputation for your website or your client's website based on specific keywords. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you my setup for my website, my AI automation agency. So when we come here to the ChatGPT module, the first one is just going to be to create an idea. And I've used GPT 3.5 for this just because it's cheaper and it doesn't have to be very specific. But all it is come up with a random business idea for AI automation business. So if you have a lawn mowing service, if you're setting up a website for them, if you're setting up a website for hairdressers, it can all be the same. You just change out the words for AI automation to specific keywords: hairdressing, Auckland hairdressing, Epsom hairdressing, funky style hairdressings. So you add your keywords and ideas in here. And what ChatGPT is going to do, it's going to come up with a random idea and a random topic. So next, it's going to come up with a title. So it's going to create an idea. It's going to come up with a title, a 1-sentence title with a specific character limit. And I'll walk through it as we keep going along, why that's important. Once it has the idea, it has a title, then it's going to create an image. So we're going to create an image from that idea that we created at the start, and then it's going to create a blog post. So this is here where you need to just edit a couple of things, but I'm telling it to create a high quality SEO website, and all you're going to have to do is just change out the keywords again. AI automation, AI for small businesses. Here, important keywords to change. So change it for what's important to that small business specifically. Again, location and service. AI automation will replace with Auckland lawn mowing, Epsom hairdressing, hairdressers and Epsom. And what this will do is we'll create a full-on blog post with headers and titles. And again, it's going to do a backlink creation right here for your website. So put your client's website or your website in this part. So then all it does is it's going to create the post. It's going to create the blog post from your GPT ideas. It's going to create a Twitter post from that, and again, it links back to your specific websites. It's going to create a Facebook post. It's going to create a LinkedIn post. It's going to create a Pinterest post from that image. It's also going to use that image to create it in the blog post. And then it's going to reroute and add everything backlinking back into that blog post as well. So it's a full-on backlinking system. So not only do you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 automated blog posts or automated backlinks back into your website, it also doubles up by creating more backlinks to the blog post. So it's doubling up everything, linking back to your website, creating credibility and helping you with your rankings. So let's just have a go, and I'll show you a couple of examples of what it looks like. So once we started, you can see the flow down here. So it's created the idea. It's come up with an idea, customer support and AI automation. And then it's come up with a good title. Created an image. Now it's going to create the blog post. And here we go. It just goes off. So it's created the blog post. It's then posted a Facebook page about the blog post. It's posted an Instagram link about the blog post. It's then created a tweet for the blog post. It's then created a tweet for the link back to your website. And then it's created a Facebook post and another LinkedIn post and a Pinterest post. So let's just quickly have a look at how they look. So the first one I'll bring up is the make.com. So the first one I'll bring up is the make.com. So here we see that the title is going to be revolutionizing customer support. So this is the actual website for it. And that's the image it created. So it created a totally random image. And all it is a full-on little website or a little blog post all about AI and AI automations. And when you scroll down, you'll see it's created a good little backlink back to your actual website. If you need to click on it, obviously we'll go there. So all we need to do is just leave that, and then we'll keep ranking into Google. The next thing we'll look at is the Twitter post. So it's coming here. Let's refresh this one. And it's created a Twitter, 2 tweets in here. It's the revolutionizing customer support, and it's got the link back in there to the website. And then it's got the link back to the medium.com post as well. Okay, so Twitter has created 2 backlinks as well for you, all on autopilot. So if we look at the Pinterest one as well, just refresh this one. There we go. This is the Pinterest post. And here we go again, a backlink back into your website or your client's website. And then just the Facebook posts as well. So I'll just refresh this one. So here we go, is the Facebook post, again linking back to your website, and then it's got the make.com as well. So it's a backlink to a backlink and a direct backlink as well. So doubling up, creating so many extras for you. And then lastly, LinkedIn. So this is what I mean. This is actual sites that's important, that has proper backlinks back into your website. So it's post on public, good website and social media that you can add actual domains into it. And here we go. Full on post again there, another backlink back. So when we look at it, it's created a multitude of backlinks all on autopilot. And all you have to do is run the scenario once a day, and it's going to create a unique content form with backlinks. That's important. It's social media places that's able to create backlinks back into your system. And this is what makes it so valuable. If you run these every day, Google is going to start picking up. It's going to crawl its robots into all these, and it's going to keep picking them up. If you enjoyed this video and you really want this, click the button below. I've left a link where you can download this scenario totally for free. I'm giving it away. All you're going to have to do is link up your accounts and your GPT API keys, and you can use this. So good if you have clients and your job is website development and website creation. And this just helps with those SEO and search engine optimizations.